Well, so up to now, I think you feel I speak in English. So it's an EMI course. Why it's EMI? Because for local students, we don't use English as the first language. So we have EMI for sure. And for this EMI, of course, up to now, zero Chinese, but it doesn't mean zero Chinese for the future. Sometimes maybe I may have some turns for maybe some specific one, so that it will be easier for local students. For international students, I think, don't worry. Just try to have maybe a bit further for local students. So don't worry about that one. And also because of EMI, so I already have these live subtitles. If you feel, okay, well, I found some mistakes here. So if you can correct, sure, you try to correct that one, because I use the tool, but the tool cannot have the perfect accuracy. So I do my best, and maybe you can refer to the subtitles here. And also, you may notice it is not instant. Perhaps we have a 1 second delay. But if you think you want to rely on this, you can try to refer to the subtitles here. Actually, for me, I ever noticed I cannot have the perfect accuracy using the tool. So I don't want to notice the subtitles here, or otherwise I may have a problem. Oh, okay, something wrong, so I may try to have a different way to adjust. So for me, I don't want to notice this. If for you, everything's okay. If you feel you can understand what I talk to you, so you just try to use your way, just listen, and you can understand the content I try to let you know. If you still have the problem, oh, okay, I need to rely on this, fine, you can notice this. But up to now, I may switch to another mode. But another mode, you should have the account. For example, account of Microsoft 365 of the school. If yes, right now you can scan the QR code, and then you can have a different way to follow me. So wait a moment. Okay, this one. You can try to scan, and you can try to have your account. If you fail to have the account, well, you can have the account. Try to go to the computer center and ask them you have the need to have the account for classes. If everything's okay, then you can join. You see, one joined. All right. And once you join, then if you are Taiwanese and you want to have Chinese, try to find language. Can you switch to Chinese? Or maybe if you are the international student, you can try to switch to your language. Same, I do not guarantee the perfect translation, right? Well, if indeed you need to have the system, you can try to create the account of Microsoft 365. So 3 of you join. So can you let me know? Successful joining the system, raise your hands. 1, 2, 3. Okay. So can you find Chinese? And same for Shizhe. Can you find Chinese version? Okay. So if indeed you want to have the add of Chinese, you can try to use this way. But you check it by yourself. All right. I do my way, and so that I still have this one. I still have subtitle in English. So up to now, we have two modes, live subtitles and live presentation. So either one, if you think you need to use it, you can try to use two approaches to help you understand the content of the lectures. EMI, we already have PPT slides here, right? And of course, I don't know, we will have videos. Sometimes the video for the purpose of flipped classroom. And we will have programming assignments. We have 2 times of programming assignments. For each assignment, I allow you to have 3 weeks to finish. And which kind of programming language? I will use C programming language. As for you, you can have anyone if you want to use Python. If you use the others through the proper understanding of the content in C programming language in the textbook, that's fine. All right, so you can use your own programming language. And if you have a question, oh, okay, I cannot use any programming language. Can I join? I should let you know later if we check the percentage for the items of grading. I don't think if you don't have any background of programming language, then you can join. So it's really serious. If you don't have any background of programming, maybe you need to change your mind and drop it. And we have an exercise, but we will select some and so that you can practice through the activity in the classroom. And so that it won't be necessary for you to hand in. No, it won't be necessary for you to hand in the exercise because I use it for reference. So we have a reference exercise. Well, because of EMI, so if we have an activity, do your best to express your opinion in English possibly. All right. So if finally you are Taiwanese, oh, okay, I need to speak a bit in Chinese. It's okay. Allow you to speak if you feel difficulty in speaking English, but do your best to express or learn in English. So this one, let me emphasize and also try to circle so I emphasize again. We have the style of a free classroom, learning or teaching. All right, and I will release the videos. That's a matter. Some students have a message on YouTube. Why? Something wrong with me. I need to check the video, also attend the classroom so that I listen to your lecture 2 times. All right, but that guy know, and also that guy know I let you know before I go to the content. So we have the free classroom. It doesn't mean I always use a free classroom and so that, oh, it's easy for me. No, you should understand, even we have the free classroom style, it is not so easy for the lecture because we need to have the preparation for the activities. Right? And also up to now, I may ask one question about the path of the speaking. Up to now, everything is okay. 目前为止，讲话速度会太快吗？我不是讲中文，我说是英文的部分。So it is still okay, right? And same, that's matter. Some students from Europe that let me know, okay, Professor, is it possible to speak faster? I let them know, okay, because I need to take care of almost all the students to understand what I talk to you. So I try to use the possible paths to have the lecturing. If everything is okay, so let me continue. And of course, up to now, it's just a description to the syllabus. I think you still can understand, and even up to now, you should understand. I have a slide here, so you can check the content on slides. Likewise, so this purpose, so that says I ask students to have the content share through the Skype, and so that the other classmates can understand the presenter. So before I go, let me emphasize this again. We have a free classroom style. All right, so if you don't like it, then maybe later you can leave.